If you're over 50, you've probably noticed that your body doesn't respond the same way it used to, especially when it comes to weight loss. You eat less, you walk more, and somehow the scale barely moves. That's because after 50, your metabolism naturally slows down by nearly 10% every decade. Your muscle mass decreases, your digestion weakens, and your body's ability to convert food into energy drops significantly. But here's the good news. There's a simple way to wake up that sleepy metabolism every morning, using nothing but a few common kitchen spices. It's called spice water, and it's one of the easiest metabolism-boosting drinks you can make at home. Let's start with what happens inside your body after 50. Your thyroid becomes a little less active, and your cells don't respond to insulin as efficiently as before. That means more sugar is stored as fat instead of being burned for energy. But certain natural spices contain compounds that can literally revive your metabolic rate, support digestion, and balance blood sugar, without caffeine or expensive supplements. So, here's the magic blend that nutrition experts often recommend. Take 1 cup of warm water, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and a small pinch of black pepper. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain it, and sip it slowly on an empty stomach. Why these three? Because they work synergistically. Cumin helps your digestive enzymes break down food more efficiently, reducing bloating and improving nutrient absorption. It also enhances fat metabolism by increasing the activity of your liver enzyme. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar and prevents the post-meal energy crashes that make you crave sugar or coffee later. And black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that boosts the bioavailability of other nutrients and slightly increases body temperature, creating a mild thermogenic effect that keeps your metabolism active for hours. Together, these three turn your morning drink into a natural metabolic booster. Within just a few days of consistent use, people often notice better digestion, less bloating, and improved energy throughout the day. Now, if you want to make this even more powerful, you can replace the regular water with warm lemon water. That extra vitamin C helps your liver detox and supports the fat-burning process even more effectively. Just make sure you drink this first thing in the morning before breakfast, and then wait at least 20 minutes before eating. It gives your body time to activate those digestive enzymes and prepare your metabolism for the day ahead. Remember, this isn't a magic potion. It's science-backed, gradual improvement. The key is consistency. Most people over 50 struggle not because their metabolism is broken, but because it's understimulated. And if you want to make it super easy, I've linked a high-quality organic spice blend below that contains the same active ingredients, cumin, cinnamon, and black pepper, in the perfect ratio. You just need to stir it into warm water, and you're done. Try this for 1 week. You'll notice your digestion gets smoother, your energy more stable, and your clothes fit just a little better. Because when you support your metabolism naturally, your body rewards you with balance, not burnout.